Hey buddy, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be doing some of the amazing science experiments that you can easily do at your home. So as you can see, I have taken 5 bowls and have added 20 ml of water to each bowl. And then I have added food color to each bowl and stir well. Now we will add sodium polyacrylate powder to each bowl, 1 tablespoon of powder, and you will see amazing results that this liquid form will convert into a solid form because this powder is super absorbent of water. So as you can see, it has converted that liquid into solid form. Now, the best part of this experiment is we will convert this solid form into a liquid again. What we just need to do is just add a couple of spoon of salt into each bowl, and once we mix it well, you will see a magical effect that this solid form now converts back into a liquid form. Now let's take a 1 beaker of water, and in small beaker take a little bit of cooking oil and add few drops of food color. Now you will see if we mix it well, the color is not completely mixing with the oil, but instead it's turning into a small dot. So it stores that color in that dots, and now if we add into this water container, you will see that oil will float on the top, but that color drops will slowly fall down and mix with the water. This creates amazing volcano kind of effect. Now let's take one test tube and add 20 ml of honey into it, and then take 20 ml of water and add food color, mix well and pour it into a test tube. You will see it will beautifully create a layers. Now add 10 ml of cooking oil into this test tube. Now let's add marble into it and see what happens. It passes through oil and water layer. Now if we add some plastic gems, you will see that it does not pass through the layer of honey. It just passes through the layer of oil. Now let's take a one bowl, add a little bit of water and butterfly pea powder, and in another bowl add a baking soda and a little bit of water. Now keep it aside. Take one test tube and add 20 ml of water into test tube, and then add citric acid, and also add 15 ml of cooking oil. Now close the lid and shake well. You will see that oil does not mix with acidic water. So it will quickly differentiate from water and it will float above the water. Now if you take that mixture of butterfly pea powder and add into this test tube, you will see that this mixture is passing through the oil layer and it's mixing with the water. Now if you see, if we shake it well, you will see it will quickly change its color. Now, if we take that mixture of baking soda and water, pour it into the test tube slowly, it will beautifully create a volcano effect. And if you notice, once we add a further water, that baking soda water, it will continuously change the color of water. So you will see how it converts that purple color into a blue slowly and beautifully.